Hi, and welcome to E7 Kitchen. And if this is your first time here, thank you for coming to visit E7 Kitchen. If you've been here before, then welcome back. And today we're going to be making some homemade grits. Some homemade butter grits. Yes, it say cook in 5 minutes. And yes, we're going to cook them in 5 minutes, guys. So, if this is your first time making your homemade grits, you will see that they have a chart on the back of them that tell you how much grits to put in how much water. But we're going to put other ingredients in our grits also. And I put a little bit more grits in my water just because I like my grits kind of thick. But that's up to you. So let's get started. So as you see, we already have our water boiling. We put a cup of water in there, about a cup, maybe a little bit more. But I'm only making this for me this morning. And on the back, for one serving, it say about a cup of water. And it say about 1/4 a cup of grits. So for every cup of water, you put a 1/4 a cup of grits. So if you have 2 cups of water, you're going to put, what, a 1/2 a cup of grits? And so forth and so forth. A little pinch of salt in my water. I go ahead and put a little bit of butter in my water. I put a little butter in my water. And that's because I like butter grits. Now, this is up to you if you're going to put butter in your water. I go ahead and let that melt down a little. Bring that to a boil. Let me see if y'all can see that. Can y'all see that pretty good? There we go. And while that's going to get into a boil, this is about my 1/4 a cup of grits. Because that's a 1/2 a cup up there. So that's about my 1/4 cup. And in this is how I do it. I go ahead and put my sugar in my measuring cup also. So I put like 3 teaspoons of sugar. That's butter on there, y'all. So this is my grits. So I go ahead and put like 3. And some people don't eat sugar in their grits. I do. I love sugar and butter in my grits. And I just cook everything together. Since it's only for me. And see how that look? Now let's go ahead and I go ahead and let that boil. Once that come to a boil, what I do is when I put my grits in, I go around like this because I don't stir them. So I just go around and try to put them in evenly. I cover. And let that come to another boil. And I try to let it come to a boil whereas mostly all the water is cooked out. And I'll show you what I mean. When I see it's just a little bit, I go in and check like this. When I see it's only a little bit water left, that's when I cut it off and let the heat cook the rest of it. And my grits will be done. I'm not a meat person, so I don't cook sausages and bacon and stuff like that with my grits. I can just eat a bowl of grits and I'm satisfied. But you can go ahead and make you some toast, some eggs, some bacon, or whatever you like with your grits. I'm not a big bread person. I'm not a big meat person. That's just me. I just love grits. And remember, it don't take long. So the instant grits are great, but I'm telling you, the homemade butter grits are even greater. And you can put you some fresh strawberries in there, or some, once you put them in your bowl, or cut up a banana in there, or some fresh blueberries. Oh, that is so delicious. Then I wouldn't put sugar in there. I would even cut up a fresh apple in there. That is so delicious. So let's check it, y'all. See how much water's still in there? So we're just gonna let that go ahead and cook. And I might do it like this every once in a while. Cover it back up. Go ahead and let that cook down. The steam might steam up the top where you can't see how much water in there. That's why I took the top off. But this is how I cook my grits. I have it on medium heat. Once most of the water go out, I will turn it on low once it comes to a boil like this. Look, you can see the grits rising to the top. Y'all see that? See how the grits are rising to the top and the water starting to come out. I don't want to keep taking the cover off, but I do want y'all to see. So we're going to go ahead and let that cook down. This is a 24 ounce. And it's probably cheaper than instant grits. And you can put your own ingredients in it. Your own fresh fruits in it. Look at that, guys. That looks so good. Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn it off. And it's done, guys. Look at that. Just in that little bit of time, we have us a bowl of grits. But that's our butter grits. Thank y'all. Thank you for watching. This is our butter grits. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for visiting E7 Kitchen. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.